Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are creating some art journal pages using my new set of art prompt cards for kids, but they're perfect for the whole family too. Now this is a great way for kids to get inspired and just jump into their art project with a bunch of different ideas. Are you ready? Let's get making. Art prompt ideas are guidelines meant to inspire creators and give them subjects to tackle. The intention is to get the ideas flowing, break with the fear of facing the blank canvas, and just begin. Creativity is an important life skill because it encourages problem solving, inspires innovative ideas, promotes self-expression and self-esteem, boosts mental health, and enhances personal development, making it a valuable asset in various areas of life. Decades of research link creativity with the intrinsic motivation to learn. When students are focused on a creative goal, they become more absorbed in their learning and more driven to acquire the skills they need to accomplish it. I'm going to leave a link for everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.